All right, fig lovers, this is Ross, the Fig Boss. A lot of us that grow figs in colder growing zones, we had a very brutal winter this year. And a lot of you guys have been wondering, well, why is my fig tree not growing? Why is it not budding out? It should be budding out by now. Why is there growth down here at the base and not here at the top? Is my fig tree dead? It just got hit by a late frost. What do I do? All these questions we're gonna answer and more in this video. And you can see, now that I've just snapped my fig tree like this, the wood is dead. This is a good sign, one of the signs to know if your fig tree is damaged from the winter cold. You'll have this maroon color here on the 1-year-old wood. And all this top growth here is dead because we had a winter cold here of about 2 degrees to maybe even all the way down to -3 degrees. I looked at a lot of local forecasts and weather stations. It was not good that morning. And not only was it cold, but it was cold for a long period of time. So fig trees really don't like that. Anything below 5 degrees Fahrenheit, you're really starting to push it. And if it gets too cold for too long, the whole fig tree will die all the way to the ground. And that's the thing. Is my fig tree dead? Well, the chances of it being dead are actually kind of low, especially if the tree is as old as this Ronde Bordeaux that we're looking at. This thing's been in the ground for probably close to 7 or 8 years, something like that. And you can see down here, it is actually coming back from the base. So anything below the soil in terms of buds on a fig tree can actually survive the winter and come back. And usually they do. Even really young fig trees, like the ones right here, these are trees I had just planted last summer. So they haven't even been in the ground for a full year, and you can see the top's dead. We got some rodent damage here on the side because the snow cover was all the way up to here. And that was protecting the trees as well and keeping the ground warm. And now we're having growth that's coming up here from the base. Same thing down here. All these trees are gonna come back, and they might take some time. You know, it can take some time. Here's one right here. You might not even see this as a fig tree, but there it is. There's the growth popping through. We're almost here at May 1st, which is about the time when all these fig trees should already be awake and already doing their thing, but we haven't seen it because the trees got killed all the way down to the base. So it's really sad. You might think your fig tree is dead, and then 2 months later from now, you might start to see some of that growth that I showed you coming up from the soil line, and then finally your tree is back to life. The important part, when we plant our fig trees in the ground in these colder zones, we bury at least 4 to 6 inches of the trunk above the root ball below the soil. And that will just protect that set of buds, those nodes, so that the tree can always come back from below the soil. It's not like asparagus where they just shoot up really quickly. It can take some time to get them growing and try to find that light to break through that soil. I've even had some trees, this is crazy, where they haven't woken up and done anything until the following year. It can be heartbreaking. I understand you guys are sad and upset about this, but really the only way to fix it is to do some winter protection going forward. Take your fig tree, bend it all the way to the ground, get it really close to the ground. You can use all kinds of ways to get it close to the ground. Some people were like, well, Ross, I can't bend my fig tree to the ground because it's just too old. Well, you can use things like ratchet straps, get yourself a really heavy duty stake and kind of ratchet it all the way to the ground really slowly. Then we can cover it with all kinds of stuff, tarps, mulch, leaves, straw, all kinds of things. That'll trap all that heat from the ground. As it radiates up from the wintertime, it traps it in here in the tarp and all that stuff you covered it with. And these fig trees will be way warmer than if you didn't do anything. So that's the trick. For those of you guys out there in zone 5 and zone 6 and even colder zone 7A like me, we got to do some kind of winter protection for 1 or 2 years, because if our fig tree dies all the way to the ground like this Ronde Bordeaux, it may not fruit at all this season, and if it does, it's going to fruit so late in the season that you may not get any figs until after frost. When it comes to a late spring frost, there's not really a whole lot we can do. These are actually some fig trees right here I've protected this winter time. Like I said, we bent them over to the ground. We covered them with straw and cardboard. You can see the straw down there, and the trees leafed out. All like everything was normal, and then we had this awesome late frost that came in and burnt these growth tips here to a crisp. Now luckily you can see though, we're already starting to get these buds down here starting to expand. So all is not lost. further down the branch will start to go, and we're probably gonna lose, unfortunately, because of this, about 2 weeks. So 2 weeks is better than nothing. But anyway, that's the video here, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Check out my blog, figboss.com. We got all kinds of fig trees for sale. Thanks for watching. We'll see you for the next video. Take care.